So he's like scratching my ear. मैं कहा थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे ऐसे.
गाड़ियों पे लिखे अपने 16 दूनी 8 दूध दही है खाना इनका कोर्ट कचहरी थाना इनका.
There are a lot of jats in Pakistan, man, where the world is becoming a should stay global and let there be no countries. That's the way it should. I love it.
Hello and welcome. This is Sonal Kalra and I'd like to welcome you all to another new session of Stars in the City. And we are very, very happy and privileged to have with us. And I'd like you to welcome them with a big round of applause. Sunny Deol, Ranveer Khuja and Rohit Singh. The three jats, shall we say, or one of the jats, two of the jats, and ये जाट टाइटल आया कहाँ से? I really would want to know. Who was the Jat in the film and what did you think when you first heard the title?
Sunny Baji is the Jat in the movie. Though I'm a real life Jat, I'm playing a Sri Lankan. And that's a joke on me, but it's very good for the movie. And this explanation Sunny Baji is left to me. अब ये Jat title क्यों? क्या ये कम्युनिटी के बारे में है या किसी इंडिविजुअल के बारे में है या कोई एजेंट है या क्या है ये आपको पिक्चर देख के पता चलेगा. बट देयर इज ओनली वन एंड ट्रूली वन जाट इन द मूवी एंड दैट इज सनी देओल.
Well, cheers for the OG Jat. But the thing is, it wasn't about community. But when we hear of the term Jat, immediately there's certainly thoughts that come to our mind, which is lots of action, lots of bravery, lots of tak bindas, and of course there is so much action in the trailers. So Sunny, my question is to you: does doing an action role come absolutely naturally to you? Like, do you sometimes roll your eyes when the script starts to get told to you, say, "Ek aur action"?
No, it's not that the script मुझे पसंद आती है तभी करता हूँ. And action, obviously, now, अभी क्या कहूँ इसके बारे में, because the amount of films I've done and every time the character which I portray has been the guy who is the underdog and he comes across and then he comes and wins no matter what the situation. Those are the kind of characters I've done mostly with all my films, whether he's a brother or a son or anyone or a soldier or whatever it is. So, इतने साल हो गए 40 साल से तो भी वो टैग ऐसा लगे कि मैं वहाँ से निकल ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. So it is जैसे ट्रेलर the film is basically just like that only. It has got all the elements in it and very interesting and can't talk about much about the film, but definitely it's just releasing down the
Now
corner.
we're looking forward. It's just a couple of days away.
That's
and
right.
really congratulations on Chava. So ये जो, I mean, you both playing negative characters as an antagonist in the film is something that we could figure. अगर वो भी secret है तो फिर then I'll not go further. But does doing a negative role kind of present a more exciting challenge? क्योंकि उसमें shades होंगे ही होंगे.
रामायण की कहानी अगर हो तो रावण कुछ सीक्रेट होता नहीं.
सही बात.
मैं पहले दे रहा हूँ रणदीप भाई को.
अच्छा.
हाँ भाई, आप तिलक लगा के घूम रहे हो, हम भसम रगड़ के.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Yes, negative characters. Obviously, you get to do things which otherwise you can't get to do in real life or in real life. So they're always very exciting. This character Rana Tunga, which plays the nemesis to Jat, is a very designed character, and it is kind of on the lines of, I mean, he's from Sri Lanka. What more could you say? I mean, it's a bit like Ravan. And but it's obviously there's a lot of shades to it, but a very violent, very menacing character who's driven by his own ambition and all that, and he's been the world in which Sunny Baji comes.
Sunny Baji's character, of course, you are playing somebody from the north who's kind of crossing over to this. That's also being said about the film. This is a north-south crossover. Your director is a very talented person in the Telugu craft. So, set पे एक दो question है. एक तो ये was this somewhere at the back of the mind कि ये एक पहली lots of crossover type picture बन रही है. Did it have any role to play in your making a decision? And second set पे कौन सी language बोली जाती है? Director की भाषा कुछ है, आपकी कुछ है, आप श्रीलंकन और आपकी actual जाट भाषा.
बेसिकली नॉर्थ साउथ हम लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन अदरवाइज इट्स जस्ट ऑल द सेम ओनली.
True.
और तभी उनका सिनेमा जो इस वक्त पूरे भारत में चल रहा है इज बिकॉज द डिनेक्ट language is always a thing. It was I think we all enjoyed shooting over there much more, because over here we were seeing the producers go all out with the director, for the director, or compromising character, and they're more interested in making a good film. My film was supposed to finish in 90 days or 80 days. We just shot in 140, 130 days. Yeah. So it is
40 days.
Yeah, I was shooting this a week back, so
So,
so हाँ काम करने का तरीका अलग है, लेकिन but they still hit the bullseye.
पर हम लोगों ने ऐसा सुना है कि साउथ में काम करना ज्यादा खट like you know, especially in an action film, because over here you only find fans of South Indian action films. जैसे आपको पता है वो टीवी पे dubbed पिक्चर आती थी तो कितने ज्यादा देखते हैं. So we are under the impression that they actually finish off earlier than what is intended. So what makes this one more over?
So today we learned the sense.
Okay.
I also thought that they'd be far more ahead of their machinery would be a lot more oiled, but it's not so. But the final product that they make is very, very slick, and they take time over everything. And as far as the north-south goes, as Sunny Bhaji said, it's all one country, but just the languages. Language is the last form of communication in any human interaction. Language is the last form of communication. And there was the producers were Telugu on the set. The director spoke Telugu, and you sat there and you they very nonchalantly start talking amongst themselves in Telugu, and you're kind of wondering what they're saying. And then they were booking this. All right, okay.
Vineet, one thing, you know, these are talent powerhouses sitting next to you. You're yourself such a talented actor, but one thing that you've learned from Randeep and one thing that you've learned for Sunny Bhaji in the course of this film's making.
बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली हैं. मतलब सनी सर के लिए तो मैं क्या बोलूं, इतना सारा सर ने काम किया है और कैसी कैसी एक्शन फिल्म्स की हैं. मैं तो बहुत सारी बातें ये करता रहता था कि ये फिल्म आपने की, उसमें आपने जो घुड़सवारी की वो कैसे की आपने. बिकॉज हम जब फिल्म में देखते हैं तो हमें कई बार चीजें बस अच्छी लगती हैं, लेकिन ये नहीं पता चलता उस अच्छे लगने के पीछे कितना एफर्ट है. लेकिन जब मैं खुद छावा पे घोड़े पे चढ़ा तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें जो घोड़े के ऊपर चढ़ता है वो समझ में आने लगा भाई. तो मैंने सर की एक फिल्म देखी थी यतीम, तो मुझे एकदम ऐसा सब याद आ गया. डकैत. तो मैं सर से यही पूछता था कि कैसे दोनों हाथ छोड़ के, लगाम भी नहीं पकड़ी है, घोड़े भगा रहे हैं, सीढ़ियों के ऊपर घोड़े चढ़ा देते हैं, तो ये कुछ अलग दुनिया के हैं. और सर की जो इमेज हम सबके दिल में है कि एक होता है ना गुस्सा न्याय के लिए, मतलब वो 2.5 किलो का हाथ मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ इज अ सिंबल ऑफ जस्टिस, राइट. तो सिनेमा के पर्दे पे जस्टिस वो हाथ खींच के ले आता है. तो मेरे जहन में भी वो इमेज थी. लेकिन जब मैं सर से मिला और बातचीत की तो ही इज वेरी सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, एंड मैंने कभी ऊंची आवाज सुनी नहीं, शॉर्ट में जरूर सुनी. सुबह आते हैं तो वर्कआउट वगैरह करके आते, तो हम लोगों को थोड़ी सी शर्म आती थी. और रणदीप भाई ने तो मतलब कमाल ही कर रखा है. ये सिर्फ एक्टर नहीं है, एक ही फिल्म में इन्होंने राइटिंग भी की है,
Direction.
प्रोड्यूस भी किया है,
Right. The trickiest.
डायरेक्ट भी किया है और कैमरे के आगे भी थे. तो इसके लिए मैं जब बड़ा पेड़ ऐसा हो तो छोटा पौधा तब नवा के गिरता.
Very well said. Sunny, I have you want to kind of portray characters with border, which are very patriotic, nationalistic in their approach. You're also known to be such a person. You've been a lawmaker in the country. अभी आजकल ये पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट आए या नहीं आए with Fawad Khan's entry back into Bollywood. There's that question on whether we should hold on for a bit before this artistic collaboration starts, or should there be an open, free work atmosphere for Pakistani actors in Bollywood? Do you have a view on this?
So I wouldn't like to go into the political side because that's where things start getting messy. Right? We are actors. We are for everyone all over the world. Even if somebody's watching in the Mars or anywhere, we are still we are for everyone. So ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. And I think the more the way the world is becoming, it should stay global and let that countries. That's the way it should be.
There are a lot of Jats in Pakistan, by the way.
Yeah.
Well, I hope Jats everywhere and everyone everywhere enjoys it.
जाट का सारा रिपोर्ट कार्ड है रंजीत भाई के पास.
थोड़ा सा आपने सिखा दी है जाट भाषा, हरियाणवी भाषा अपने कलीग्स
मैं बहुत दूर नहीं हूँ, मैं क्षत्रिय हूँ उस हिसाब से,
उस एरिया.
तो लड़ने वाली ही रेस है.
जाट की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है?
जाट की फुल फॉर्म भी है, बताइए.
मैंने ना मतलब एक गाना लिख सा ही दिया था, फिल्म में तो नहीं है. आज्ञा हो तो थोड़ी 2 लाइनें बता देता हूँ, आप समझ जाओगे कि जाट का मतलब क्या होता है. मैं वो जाट तुम्हारी खोपड़ी है, हाथ तुम्हारे दिल में इमोशन का गुड़ 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 गुड़. जाट रे जाट इनकी वो कार खाट, गाड़ियों पे लिखे अपने 16 दूनी 8. जाट रे जाट इनकी वो कार खाट, गाड़ियों पे लिखे अपने 16 दूनी 8. दूध दही है खाना इनका, पोर्ट कचहरी थाना इनका. दूध दही है खाना इनका, पोर्ट कचहरी थाना इनका. मन इनका भोला भंडारी, इनकी यारी है बड़ी प्यारी. मुझो पे देते हैं ये दाव रे, जाट नहीं देता सबको भाव रे. धन्यवाद.
जाट की फुल फॉर्म जो हमारे जस्टिस, एक्शन एंड ट्रूथ.
Wow.
Justice, action, and truth, and that's what Sunny Bali is doing in the movie, and that's what he epitomizes.
रणदीप, वैसे हम लोग इतना हरियाणवी और जाट बात कर रहे हैं, पर घर में तो आजकल मणिपुरी चलती होगी. हमने सोचा we put you in a spot and see if you've learned the language enough to say Lynn, I love you very much in Manipur.
I have come short on that. She can speak in a Haryanvi. In fact, she mimics Haryanvi very well. I have not been able to pick much of that because I've been busy with other things. But Manipuri language is beautiful, and their culture is very beautiful. And when my wedding videos and pictures went viral, it had nothing to do with me. It is her beautiful culture and their cultural rituals and all that. That was so beautiful. My father, when my parents went there with a lot of apprehension, and they were so taken aback by their cultural heritage. And my father said, Haryanvi में, बोले भाई हमारे ब्याह में तो इतने सारा में 2-4 सुथरे आया करे, हमारे तो सारे सुथरे हैं.
Come on. Okay, so Stars in the City is all about reader questions. So we've come to that segment where we have some winners of the Jat contest that we ran in Hindustan Times. And Imran, who's one of our winners, wants to ask the question to Sunny Bali.
How do you strike a balance between supporting your son's career and allowing him to carve his own path in the industry?
See, a father is always a support, like my dad was always a support. We all always a support, but the journey is the child itself. So he's on his journey, and let's see the way he goes. I'm very sure about him. But you being a father, you always have a dandak in your heart. And that's what you realize when you become a father yourself.
Sidney has a question to ask of Randeep.
What it?
They let this family drama. So, but one real life moment take me straight out of the movie.
Oh. Wow. My marriage was, it happened under very heavy army protection. And there were more security personnel in my wedding than the civilians because of all the problem that was going on at that time. But as soon as our fairas finished, so the fairas there are not around a fire but around a tulsi. And the man sits like a god. And the woman takes the faira around the god, so to speak. So
in short, you're a god.
I was a god only for that day. Only for that day. And I was supposed to sit very still the whole time. And I could not scratch or do anything. They told me if I'm going to sit as still as I sit and not smile and do anything no matter what, I'll be a very good Maitei groom. तो मैंने ठान ली उस फिल्मों की तरह मैं मेथड एक्टिंग में घुस गया. मैं कहा बिल्कुल नहीं लूंगा. मेरे साथ एक आदमी होता है जो आपको अगर आप ऐसे बैठो ना तो वैसे खड़ा कर देता है ऐसे करके. नीचे गर्दन करो ऐसे कर देता है. आपके कपड़े में सलवट पड़ जाएगी. तो मैं उसको बोला मेरे कान में खाज हो रही है. तो नहीं.
So he's like scratching my ear. मैं कहा थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे ऐसे चलो.
That was a very filmy comic moment in my life. And then when the fairas finished, the whole valley was AK-47s going in the air, which I felt was very dramatic. Shadi ho to aisi ho na rahe.
Kya baat hai. You know, before we end, and for the end we have a little request of you. But before that, if there's one word in which you could describe the film Jaat, what would that word be? We'll start with you, Vinay.
जो सबसे छोटा है उसी जिम्मेदारी दे दी. जाट is full of entertainment.
Full on entertainment.
Yeah.
Okay, but
मतलब आपको हीरो विलेन की अपनी लंका और उसमें हीरो की एंट्री और फिर क्या कुछ तमाशा होता है देख.
क्या बात. Then
It's Jaat, as I said, justice, action, truth. That's what it's about, and it's caused by Paji himself.
why?
Motivate का बचा है. See, I think it's a very like a film should be. It's not just somebody we keep saying Jaat. So action. I mean, there's nothing. I mean, the action is not that just for the heck of action being there. It's a story. There's a lot of emotions and lot of sentiments in the film.
Emotionally strong action. I think that's a rare combination. And maybe you hope it works. हमारे पास आपके दो बहुत डाई हार्ट फैंस हैं, हैरी और आकाश, जिनका ये ड्रीम है कि वो रणदीप और सनी पाजी के साथ आर्म रेसलिंग कर सके. So with team Jaat versus team HT, if only you would allow.
ये तो
Can we have-
बॉडी बिल्डर पकड़ के लाए हुए हो.
आपको क्या लगा जर्नलिस्ट कर पाएंगे?
चल फिर
आज के लिए तैयार बैठे हैं. आइए.
आ रहे ट्रक के टायर है. चल भाई बेइज्जती मत करिए. जाशवती
गुजर का छोरा पता है उसका ब्याह कब होता है? हैं? जब वो भैंस लेकर दीवार कूद जाना जब उसका ब्याह कराया.
अरे मेरा तो कंधा ही गया हुआ है. ओ भाई बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग आदमी है.
अपने से ना
अपना बैट शोल्डर ब्रो. लेफ्ट हैंड से करना था.
I know it does. क्या करना है वो? क्या करना है? जीतना.
जीतना नहीं.
मैं जीत ही गया इसको.
अरे ये ना होगा.
नहीं हुआ. ना. चलो.
How sweet. Big round of applause for the team.